Welcome to this masterclass and training. If you're watching this video, you probably want to know about Mahesh. He was managing a team as the head of marketing in a leading organization in Mumbai. But he was always stressed and felt stuck in his job. He had no work life balance, he was unproductive, and his life felt chaotic. He was aiming for that vice president seat for a very long time. But that opportunity was given to somebody else. He felt super dejected and felt like nothing would help him out. After having a conversation with him, one thing was crystal clear. His team performance was declining, and the work related pressure was spiraling out of control, leaving him in a state of confusion and stress. Majority of project deadlines were being missed. His team was always giving excuses rather than focus on solving the problems. There were rising conflicts within the team, and he felt nobody was listening to him or even respecting his leadership. That's when he discovered the framework I'm about to reveal today. He started applying it into his workplace and immediately saw a huge shift. His team started arguing less and performing better. His time and stress management improved significantly. This made the senior leadership trust Mahesh's capability as a leader and appointed him as the role of VP in just a few months. Watch this presentation until the very end, and you will learn the same system previously used by the CEOs of Fortune 500 corporations. This lets you build valuable relationships in your workplace and launch yourself into the senior leadership seat you have desired. VP and even the positions of president, director, and a CXO is likely outcome in your life. You can achieve all this without micromanaging your team or feeling that your team is just not good enough. Before we start, I want to be 100% honest with you. This is not a quick fix solution or a job portal. I will not give you interviews or connect you to people who can give you a leadership position. Those are just temporary solutions. What I'm offering, it is a truly permanent solution that will transform the way your team performs and admires you. And the upper management, they have no choice but to acknowledge your amazing leadership abilities. This framework is going to change the way you lead in the workplace. And a few weeks' time, your team and everybody else is going to consider you as a visionary leader who's super dependable. Now, I wanted to be super clear on who will benefit from this video. If you are someone with less than 10 years of experience, then this video is probably not meant for you, as it implies you need a bit more experience to climb to senior leadership roles like VP and president. But if you're someone with more than 10 years of experience who's facing issues within your team and you want to create a passionate team environment where everyone trusts your vision and commits to it wholeheartedly, then this training will benefit you. This is also for you if your work pressure is taking a toll on your mental health and you feel stressed most of the time and you want to learn how to maintain a pleasant work life balance and find happiness in going to the office every day. And I know what you are thinking, that this probably does not work in India, or probably that it doesn't work for you because your industry and working style is different. Don't worry. I will be showing you specific examples of individuals who had the same doubts like you and who were able to grow out of their limiting beliefs and finally became leaders people admired. So let's dive right into it. Tell me if any of this sounds like you. Number one, does your team keep fighting among themselves? And in a certain situations, you find yourself fighting with your team too. Number two, do you feel that nobody is taking responsibility and everything is all about pushing the blame to somebody else? Number three, do you feel that your own team doesn't listen to you, or they don't respect you, or they don't appreciate your efforts? Number four, and because of all these problems, do you find yourself in the same role or stuck in your job And upper management, they just ignore your efforts and rewards someone else with the senior leadership position. If yes, then you are in the right place. Because in the training, I will be showing you the framework that will help you resolve all these problems within just a few weeks. Now, let me ask you this. Did you ever question why? Why does your team act ignorant? Why don't they trust your leadership? Why don't your senior recognize your potential and promote you to a senior level in your organization? Well, that is what you are going to discover today. I will be sharing the data I have after talking to hundreds of people like you that will help you identify your challenges and what the solution is to your problems. But before I do that, I wanted you to hear about Anil. With over 16 years of experience as a data engineer, he was visibly frustrated with his career. There was no growth in his career. His team did not really connect to his leadership style, and there were several conflicts between him and others at the work. He would return home completely drained of energy with no motivation to do anything in life. There was no work life balance as the stress of stagnancy and work pressure had completely taken over his mind. That's when he started searching online for a solution and came across this framework that I'm about to give you. He devoted his heart to learning this, and the outcome? His team started believing in his leadership and he felt more respected at work. He loved showing up at work and got things done well before the deadline, while still maintaining a healthy work life to enjoy time with his family. Isn't that amazing? Anil's life story totally changed in just a few weeks. He was able to establish a phenomenal team who trusted his leadership, listened to him, took initiative rather than getting micromanaged by Anil every single day. His leadership abilities improved to a level that he's now super confident in negotiating the salary he wants for his upcoming promotion. Now, how did it happen? The big showstopper that transformed his career and personal well being is the iconic leader playbook framework. The aim is to become a highly efficient leader whose team performs like the Indian cricket team when they were under Dhoni's leadership. Under Dhoni's captaincy, everyone was playing at their peak performance. Every time India won, each and every member of the team praised Dhoni. To this day, he is considered as the best captain to lead any cricket team. And the reason why he became the best leader is because he was a visionary who understood exactly how to tap into each team member's strength and transferred his vision and confidence into his team. And once you build a super team that is ferocious, you become an iconic leader. Your team does the majority of the heavy lifting without you having to micromanage them or chase them every day for an update. You won't have to work hours and hours and can come back home at normal timings. Your stress from overworking, pending deadlines and projects, and that failed promotion will vanish away. And you will finally start living the life you have always dreamed of. Returning home with a smile on your face and ready to enjoy your family time with the motivation to do it every single day. Your colleagues and even your boss would start to question how you were able to transform your life in such a short span of time. And no, this is not about others envious of you and your success. It's about able to command respect that comes with your professional success. And that is what you will learn about the iconic leader playbook. My journey through corporate struggles is deeply personal. During my years working as a lead for an engineering team, I faced the same challenges. My team was unable to produce the desired results. They were often lagging behind compared to other teams in the department, and my ability to lead them was being questioned. This gave rise to conflicts that never seemed to end. Senior leadership felt I wasn't a good fit, and due to these reasons, I was constantly stressed and anxious. I used to question myself for several years on how to solve these issues and went on a self discovery journey. I spent countless hours learning and developing my skills to become a better leader and got mentored by Blair Singer and worked with Arfin Khan, two of the most well-known coaches on the planet. I finally perfected this framework in last 4 years, which transformed my career and has helped more than 1,200 working professionals to grow in theirs. This framework paved my path to success, and I'm now at a position where I get approached with at least 2 to 3 new full time offers from top organizations where I can choose not to work with them. If you're still not sure about the impact of iconic leader playbook, I want you to meet Richa Agarwal. She came to me when she felt super stuck in her career. She was working in the same role in the same organization for many years. And not to our surprise, at the same compensation package. She was really unhappy with her current job as she felt her compensation was not enough for the kind of work she was delivering. After discovering the iconic leadership playbook, she got a promotion to a senior role and a salary hike of 80% after being stuck in the same role for multiple years. I can go on and on about people who have benefited from this system, but this video is not about them. It's about you. Let's dive into the biggest roadblocks you might be facing in your career and how you can remove them in the next few weeks to see a massive transformation in your workplace. Here is the thing about roadblocks. My journey reveals several common patterns, big problems that many managers and mid career professionals unknowingly fall into, which keeps them from becoming a visionary leader who everyone can trust. This is not about what you are doing wrong, it's about what you haven't discovered yet. There are some invisible barriers standing between you and your desired goals. It's more subtle than you think and more common than you would expect. Most people believe that by just putting your head down, working hard, and micromanaging your team to complete the work is enough to meet deadlines and to climb up to a senior leadership role. Statistics say that nearly three-quarters of professionals think sheer hard work is their elevator to become a great leader. Yet, only a fraction actually get to see the view from the very top. The best way to understand this is to ask yourself this question: how did the people around me climb to the position of VP, president, or even a director or CXO in such a short amount of time? Did they grind for hours every day or overworked every single day? The hard truth is that just doing your job is not enough anymore. Big problem too. Another mistake I have seen people make is they don't take into account how useful their team actually can be. There is a fundamental formula to understand the productivity of your team. It is called Price Law, also named as the square root law. It states that half of the results in a group or organization is done by the square root of total number of people in that group. Which means if you are managing a team of 16 individuals, only 4 are doing 50% of the work. Now, there is a universal law for most organizations that is not 100% accurate, but it's been proven to be reliable in the modern workplace. Now, what would happen if you managed and led the remaining 12 people to become the best versions of themselves? What would your team look like? If each and every team member was 3 times more productive than before, will things change in your workplace if your team didn't have any conflicts? Will things be different if your team stops pushing deadlines and get work done before time? Will it impact you, your work-life balance, your career growth in a positive sense or a negative? If you said positive, then continue on because I'll be sharing the fundamental things you can implement today to fix this problem. Tell me if you relate to this. You wake up, get ready, show up to the office, work, take team meetings, probably meet your manager, take a lunch break, and do the same work again and come back home frustrated. Is this mundane routine? Did you find the time to become more visible in front of the upper management? Did you connect with them, discuss ideas, shared your achievements, and communicated your vision? This is where almost everyone fails. Not creating a personal brand within your organization. Most people are not carving out some time each day to work on their brand inside their organization. And right now, they are invisible. And being invisible in front of your superiors implies that someone else has more control over their promotion and has a higher chance of getting that president and director ticket. Now, answer this real quick. Assume you have someone in your team who engages more with you and communicates assertively. Whereas, assume an executive who punches in at the right time, does their work, and leaves for home. Out of these two, if you were to place someone to manage a team of 30 people, whom would you promote? It's a no brainer that the first executive is much better fit to manage and lead a team, despite the second one being more hardworking and diligent. In this short exercise, you decided to promote someone who communicates assertively and is more visible. Why? Preventing the growth of someone who is a hard worker. Think about the factors that affected this decision. These are the same factors your seniors look for in leaders when the promotion cycle is around the corner. Identifying these subtle yet significant problems in your workplace is just the beginning. Over the next several weeks, we'll work together to not only recognize and overcome these big problems, but also begin your transformative journey. Step by step, I'll guide you in creating a strategy that will not only make your team members the most powerful bunch of people, but that will also help you climb up the corporate ladder. But before we dive into the iconic leader playbook, let's talk about what I expect from you on this journey. It's not just believing in me or the methods I'll share with you. That's my responsibility to make them work for you. What I ask from you is a belief in something even more crucial, a belief in yourself and your ability to become a better leader. This framework and process requires you to step out of your comfort zone when needed, because that is what will differentiate you from everybody else. Now, you might be wondering, how can this really work for me? I understand the skepticism. After all, if it were so simple, wouldn't everybody be performing well and getting the role they want? But here is the thing, it's not about simplicity, it's about effort and understanding. And that's where my iconic leadership playbook comes in, a tried and tested framework that establishes you as the center of excellence in your workplace. In the first phase, we ditch the idea of overworking and change the way you look at your work. The idea is not to be louder or be the hardest worker, but to have a platform and the right strategy that will launch your career. Your boss most likely doesn't care about how many hours you're working, because if they did, almost half the team would be getting promotions. But while that's good and all, working less is not the answer. In fact, if you work less, you might get fired. We go deep into assessing your core strength and weaknesses and figuring out the perfect leadership style for you. Everybody has a different charisma and leadership style, and the key is to bring that out from within you. Chances are you probably haven't figured that out yourself. Then we craft a customized roadmap and set rigid milestones with timelines to help you reach your goals in a set period of time. This helps you in transforming your mindset and also helps us prepare for potential roadblocks that are stopping you from achieving your professional goals. The next phase is where things start to become very interesting. Now, in order to reach the set goals we identify, we figure out what skills you need to install within yourself to see a rapid shift in your progress. In this phase, we work on pillars like assertive verbal and non-verbal communication to get things faster, smoother, and without creating friction between you and any other team member. In the second phase, we embed you with the skill of people management. This will help you encounter the biggest threat of your career, that is office politics. Office politics is caused mainly due to two reasons. One is lack of understanding the person you are going to talk. Getting to know the source of person's desires and fears will unlock the biggest opportunity door in your life. And the second reason is an internal battle we all fight daily. It's the battle of your inner belief systems, past failures, traumas, and emotional baggage. If you believe for certain that the person in front of you is your enemy, you will start to see and treat that person like a rival. But if you can alter your belief systems, you can turn this person from an opponent to the most loyal supporter you can ever have. Since you carry past failures and traumas, this gives rise to a lack of confidence, freezing in important moments, not being calm and reacting to situations. It is not that you're not confident in front of your seniors. The issue lies in you not getting over your fears and past failures. This causes you to react in a rude, unwelcoming, and angry way, which is a reaction, not a response. When we react to something, it is usually our automatic defense mechanism kicking in to save us from a threat. This causes the person in front of you to either become aggressive or defensive. And in turn, we react even more. And that's what gives rise to arguments and conflicts. Do you see what's happening here? Even though there was just some minor disagreement, your reaction to it turned it into an argument. If this happens between you and someone higher up, best believe you have lost. Why? Because regardless of your accomplishments, the person you're talking to now believes that you're not fit for a promotion or you deserve a raise. They might even become hostile to you, which is a serious threat to your career. This is the most important step of my framework, where we work together to understand the core reasons of conflicts and how you can potentially stop every single argument coming your way. In the third phase of this framework, we transform your identity. The perception that your team and your seniors have may not be the right perception to launch you forward. As you know, it's super easy to get in the bad books of people, but it's very difficult to build a good perception about yourself. Why do this? We do this by helping you become the authoritative figure in your domain, regardless of industry or field you are in. We will start with a blank slate and rebuild your authority by undertaking small actions within the workplace that will see the idea in people's mind. Wow, he or she is actually changing. Within a few weeks, everyone around you will start respecting this profound change, and their perception of the old you will vanish. I have tested this part of the iconic leadership playbook with so many executives now, and that we have perfected it to give results within just a few weeks. And when you start to become more visible and respected within your organization, what eventually follows you is success and career progression. So now you have three options. Option number one is to stay where you are, navigating the same cycle of increasing conflicts and missed opportunities. After watching this video, you can go back and continue with your life. You can forget about this system and tackle the daunting task of climbing the corporate ladder. Option number two is you take my framework that I have revealed to you and try it on your own. You can try decoding this blueprint and find some success. Maybe after a few years, you might get a nudge in the right direction. You're striving, making some progress, but it's taking a toll on you. On top of home and office responsibilities, you now have to spend hours. You try and implement this framework on your own. I'm 100% certain that you can do this alone. But are you ready to spend another 4-5 years to figure this out and become the most charismatic leader? Or do you want it right now? The smart choice you have is to let experience guide you. Why wander around when you can be handed a map? If you are someone who's tired of being stuck in the same position and don't want to spend countless years trying to get that leadership role, then option number 3 is made for you. You can choose to take my help and within 27 days become a leader who's well respected and inspire others. And now it's your turn. You're here because you are seeking something more meaningful in your life. I understand that it's not easy to admit that our current situation is not fulfilling us. So let's take a step forward together, book a consultation call with me today, and let's explore the possibilities that await you. It's a no pressure conversation, just a chance to see if this roadmap aligns with your goals to become a leader in the workplace. Worst case, you find out that it's not for you. But the best case, this could be the start of a life-changing journey towards the role you have always wanted. Book your call with me today and let's explore how my framework can help you out. I'm excited to talk to you personally on the discovery call. Before you go, I wanted to remind you of the promise I'm making. In just 27 days, you will begin to see real results. Sure, you might not get the promotion in just a month, but your peers would start to look and interact with you in a different way. Their tone and behavior will become gentle towards you. And the people who were hostile towards you before, yes, they will slowly try to become your friend because there are visible changes in the workplace. It's simple. Everybody wants to be friends with the powerful people. In fact, I'm so confident in the effectiveness of this framework that I'm offering two guarantees. The first one is simple. This journey will deliver the results you are seeking. You will see a deep shift in your confidence, your leadership skills, and your work life balance. Second is my 27-day guarantee. In just 27 days, you will start to notice meaningful improvements, whether it's managing and inspiring your team better, or navigating the ugly waters of office politics, or your boss interacting with you much more than they did previously. If those results don't start to take shape in 27 days, I will continue working with you for free until they do, because your success is my priority. So, this is the final call. You can either keep waiting for things to change, or you can become decisive and take a step toward the life you have been waiting for. There are only a limited number of free consultations that I offer, and this opportunity won't last forever. So, book a free consultation today to see whether my framework is the right fit for you to become an iconic leader. I'll see you on the call. Goodbye.